How many letters are there in the alphabet?
28.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, and welcome to our next episode of The Question, which is episode 23. So watch now, right now we're in a Savanna. Right now we're in a Savanna. Come again. Right now we're in a Savanna. Yeah, Savanna Lamar. I say go Savanna Lamar. Yeah, so we're in a Savanna. Yeah, what peeps, you know what we are already. You see, it's a big up on yourself. You don't know your boy Jnel, and you know as usual, the place look nice and thing and vibesy and thing, and big up the officer in our background. Go on. Hold on, don't panic. Nothing wrong with the computer, nothing wrong with the internet. So peeps, with the episode I know, we got sub 2 times, rainfall, you get me, so we never get for do nothing. But we get for interview probably like 3 or 4 persons from Sav Lamar. So we decide to visit Sav a 3rd time. And the 3rd time we check with phone, you understand, and them say rain go fall. So we just stay home because it's like 5 hours drive from Kingston to Sav. You understand? So we decided to visit downtown Kingston with episode 23. So however we visit downtown Kingston and then do a thing, come home, everything good, then check few of the with the video files and there's no audio on the video. So for the people them from downtown, when I see them video on episode 23, you guys know why. It's because of some audio problem. So I'm sorry about that. So we'll try our best just to get this video to you guys, cause I was gonna like dash it away, like delete every scene and just, you know, do a episode 23 somewhere else. But you know what I said? Alright, you are. I'm gonna do what I can so the people them can enjoy this tomorrow morning or whenever it uploads. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and sorry for the inconvenience, and trust me, I don't know what to say, but let's go on with the video. Alright, my G. First thing I do, just give me a name.
Yeah, man, Dave, yeah, man.
Odell. My name Rajae though.
Yeah, my name Damin Satau.
Damin what?
Damin Satau.
Satau?
Yeah.
Is it African type of?
No, more like Indian.
Indian.
They can just call me Damin, simple as that.
Yeah, Mike, my name.
Hey, Brian, my name. Them call me Dugard, you know. Why them call me Dugard? Because the them see me, them get mad. Food for eat good and make it don't taste raw.
Chris.
Devon Linton is my name, and I have 2 new tunes on the road I play now. One name Pro Box and one name Turn and Make Fashion.
What piece of Pro Box, man?
Hey! You got a lot of poor man vehicle out there where you can buy to do hustling. You got a lot of poor man vehicle out there where you can buy to do hustling. Like the B12, 13, 14, and 15.
Saviola. Known as Storan.
Yes, sir. Obvious.
Tadio Saviola.
Alright, now say a word, my general.
Ken. You don't say a Lance though.
My name is Mr. Reed.
Man,
Malik.
Yeah. 6 out here.
What up, my youth?
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
How many?
Letters are there in the alphabet.
Them say 24.
24.
Wow.
24. Made gone bad, yeah, man. Remember them one day again.
26.
26, man.
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
Yeah.
26.
26.
26.
26.
26, brother.
You like a trick question this now, but 26.
28. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, you say sure.
Because that them say from school days, they are 28 letters in the alphabet. You better know them, you better say them, and it is the way we do them. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, and Z.
28.
28.
Alright, my general. If O-N a on, right? And I-O-N a iron. What is O-N-I-O-N?
O-N a an.
O-N-I-O-N. Onion.
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 Yeah.
How far out there?
Onion.
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 Onion. Same an, man. Iron, same an.
Same on.
Yeah.
Iron.
Iron, yeah.
Iron an. Iron an.
Iron on.
Iron an. Iron an.
Sure.
No.
If O-N pronounce on, right?
Yeah.
And I-O-N pronounce iron, right?
Yeah.
What's O-N-I-O-N?
Onion.
If O-N a on, right?
Yeah.
And I-O-N a iron, right?
Yeah.
When you put them two words together, what you get?
You get a iron, man.
What four-letter word, right? Start with F and end with K. And you can't use it. If you can't use it, you have to use your an.
That's a four letter.
Fuck.
Repeat.
What four-letter word start with F, right? And end with K. And if you can't use it, you have to use your hand.
Oh, the four-letter word, I'm going to use me hand, you know. And why me use me hand? True, me never come to the fullness of the knowledge.
What you mean? What you mean, man? Let me know what you mean, man. Straight up, man.
Yeah, what me do? Me use me hand for eat my food, eat my orange, eat my grapefruit, eat my banana, and what have you. More time me use all me hand and make some drawing and all these things. You understand? And more time me use my hand for correct ones-on-one with gimmicks, playing a game, and come to be a laughter within the aspect of the what we are motive about within the fullness of creation.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Oh, I middle finger thing. Yeah. The one there, with the middle finger. The one there.
Middle finger.
Yeah.
Start with F and end with K.
Yeah, if you can't use it, you have to use your hand.
I don't know, son, a fuck.
Yeah, man, a fuck.
Yeah.
We can't say it for anything.
Yeah.
We can't say it for anything.
Yeah, man.
Oh, if you are the one there.
Fuck.
Alright, my G.
What four-letter word start with F and end with K?
And if you can't use it, you have to use your hand.
Nah, I say that still because I'm a Christian and I do it.
Fuck.
Yeah, I use him, I've used my hand. Oh no. Ford.
Eh?
Ford.
Yeah, here.
Ford.
Phone.
Ford.
Ford.
Yeah.
Fork. Quick and fast.
That's a four letter. That's a if you say
Sure.
that's a one, yeah.
Eh?
That's a one.
Alright, my boss. Why next one?
The next one. Fox.
Now the one where them say Kwaku, you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. That's the purity that we use from way back when. And even right now, when it comes to this Kwaku thing, I work within the aspect of who don't have a knowledge of the understanding of the meaning of Kwaku.
What four-letter word start with F and end with K? And if you can't use it, you have to use your hand.
The most fuck.
You sure?
Yes, sir. 4-letter word that start with F and end in K.
And if you can't use it, you have to use your hand.
No more fuck.
Boy, if you don't get... Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching episode 23 of the questions. And you don't know, so revisit Downtown Kingston. So watch now, a time for we move now. So please remember to like, share, and also subscribe. And after you subscribe, just hit the notification bell. And make sure you remember the party here, because it's our party. June the 22nd, our fake it water party, contest the water, yeah, as some of you said. So watch now, peeps, I don't know boy Jnel, and I'm out.